ABTS stock has given up a decent amount of the gains. It ran up on Friday, the 9th of May, down as you can see 56.66%. In today's session, that is today, the 12th of May, 2025, we can see it's a very sharp rejection at where it closed yesterday on Friday, 8.45. So the extrapolation is indicating that it might begin to attempt to crawl up the charts again. And being a Bitcoin associated stock, Bitcoin adjacent stock, we've seen that Bitcoin stocks are showing a lot of strength of late, but there's no guarantee that it's going to maybe test the highs of the highs of around 8.45. The extrapolation is saying it's going to gradually crawl back all the way towards 8 5.19. There's no guarantee that that will happen. It could even be higher than that. But what is likely to remain in place is this sort of extrapolation that we are looking at right now. So even if it suddenly gets a bounce again, or gets a bounce, the extrapolation may just change, adjust the range to maybe higher level, or if it continues to retrace, it may adjust the range lower. So this is what's going on right now. There's no fresh news behind this retracement. I guess it's just a case of maybe taking profits. We can just quickly have a look at the daily chart, and then maybe have a look at uh, the market greed for the stock. So right now he has come back into the market grid. Maybe we may not. Okay, we could just have a look right now. It's back into the market grid. This is here on Think and Swim. It is known as price channel on market grid. We on Trading View, we know it as market grid. Yeah. So here as well, extrapolation is for higher prices up till the 9th of June or thereabout. Yeah. So it's not. Let's see now. It's not. It's not a bearish. It's not a bearish extrapolation that is in play on the daily chart. So in terms of projections, we have a downward projection here on the trade on the daily chart. So let's we can just also have a look at the weekly chart to get a picture of where what things are. Okay, it hasn't been trading long enough to give us any extrapolations. No, do we? I think. Let's see whether we can extra. Let's enlarge it. Okay, let's see. Enlarging. Okay, yeah, it has some figures. Yeah, okay. So it's been around long enough. So here we have upper projection 7.93. Okay, the sort of prices it's just came off from. So here the extrapolation is a contraction up till early December. Contraction up till early December, but in a very short time we have in a very short time we have the lows of around 0.93 for this is the weekly chart, yeah, 0.93 for end of May, 27th of May or thereabout. Yeah, outside that, after that rather, we have another okay, just broadly speaking, it's going to be contracting. I think contracting the volatility expansion that took it all the way towards 8.38 as of Monday the 5th of May. So a contraction is expected, and it's going to last till almost the end of the year. This is what the this is what the weekly chart is seems to be suggesting. So let's go back to the 4 hour chart. On the 4 hour chart, yeah, this is higher prices are expected up till, like I was saying, up till Wednesday the 21st of May. Yeah, yeah. So There's no guarantee that that will be the case. Okay, we can just quickly have a look at the market grid and see what we have, where it's currently trading. We come down here. Let's see whether it has contracted. So market grid, the upper line of the price channel is of the market grid is $9, and the yeah, $9. So the inner price range, I would say some really low figures. Okay, okay, let's just say 0.1, because obviously there's no stocks don't trade at negative value, so we just say 0.1 up till 7.91, and then given that is I think it's in a bearish regime, then I think the implication of that is that maybe lower prices could still print. It could still print lower prices, even though it's extrapolating that they can print higher prices. Let's see whether we can pick out any sort of projections. We don't have. We have. Is it a downward projection? It's a downward projection, 3.35. Yeah. So it's just let's see what the price is now. 3.67. 3.67. Just gradually coming back into the resistance zone. Yeah. So I think lower prices can may still print, even though there's an extrapolation, or rather a rebound is it was extrapolated. Yeah, lower prices could still print, but the price channel is gradually contracting. Let me show you. You can see that it's just gradually trying to contract. You know, yeah, that's what's going on. That's what we have. I can't exactly say that this is a good buying opportunity. It doesn't really. There's no absolute. I mean, I can't confirm that it is a good buying opportunity, if because we have very low prices. Low. I mean, the end of the market grid is really deep into lower prices. So that's an indication that maybe it could even test those sort of lows. So let's see now. Let's go back and pick up the extrapolation. Pick up this. Yeah, find out the extrapolation again. So all in all, yeah, all the 10, 21, 10, 21, and 40 period moving averages are extrapolating higher prices. The trend for them is a bullish one, but yeah, and also with the price with the price itself, with the stock itself, it's just extrapolating higher prices, but there's no guarantee that that will be the case at all. And also, given what we have seen on the market grid earlier on, yeah, there's a danger that it could still retrace further down. So giving up all the gains, ABTS, still it could still print lower prices, but at the same time, the extrapolation is for strength to return from today's trading session. So see what you make of it and just be careful. Thank you very much for watching this video.